If you also feel left out with these all daily AI updates, don't worry. In today's video, I'm gonna share complete resources to get started for AI ML, AI agents, and LLMs. So before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you're gonna get all the resources related to your placement tech resources which can be very helpful for your career. So I got one repository where you will get everything related to LLM, and you will get AI agents, the tutorials how you can make. Yes. So it's a repository called Awesome LLM Apps by Subham. Okay. And it's a collection of awesome LLM apps with AI agents and RAG using OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, open source models. Okay. So if you explore this repository, you have a few basic introduction, a curated collection of awesome LLMs built with RAG, AI agent, multi-agent teams, MCP, voice agents, and more. Okay, so why awesome LLM apps? Why this repository? Here you will get practical and creative ways LLMs can be applied across different domains from code repositories to email inboxes and more. Explore apps that combine LLMs from OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, and open source alternative with AI agents. Okay, learn from well documented projects, contribute to those projects, these open source projects which can enhance your GitHub profile, your resume. Okay, so these are the sponsor for this repo. Okay, you can also sponsor if you can. So here is the feature AI projects, AI agent, start AI agent starter like for beginners, AI block to podcast agent, AI breakup recovery agent, okay, AI data analyst agent, AI medical imaging agent, AI meme generator. So if you just click any of the link project, here you will be redirected to the main folder where this detailed introduction of that project is mentioned. Okay, like then you have advanced AI agents projects, AI home renovation agent with Nano Banana, AI deep research agent, AI consultant agent. Then you have autonomous game playing agents like AI 3D play game agent. Okay, multi game agent teams. So voice agents, MCP AI agents. So and then you have a RAG retrieval augmented generation related games, or you can say projects. Then you have LLM apps with memory tutorials. These are the tutorials which can you use to learn. Okay. Then you have chat with X tutorial, LLM optimization tools. Okay. LLM fine tuning tutorials. So when you explore all these resources listed in this repo, you'll get the idea. Okay. Now talking about like if you don't know anything about LLM or you are just a beginner, I have listed one roadmap here, that is LLM roadmap. Here you can learn about the LLMs and then basic of LLMs, and I have added resources related to these LLMs. Like first you should know basics of mathematics, then one programming language, then you should know a little bit about machine learning, deep learning, NLP. So all the resources are listed here. Okay. Apart from that, you will also get the resource related to MCP roadmap, which is very important if you want to build AI agents. And then you have some blocks related to AI. So like build AI agent, how to build AI agents. In this blog, you will get the complete guides and resources to get started. So explore this repo and all the resources I've listed in the comment. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And if you need more videos like this, do let me know. I'm gonna share all the latest updates related to AI. Okay, because I understand I also feel overwhelmed with the